Can you please tell me in the comments if you think that was a fair trade? I technically do think it's a fair trade in orange, which is the worst colour, but also with a pink spike, so a decent spike wrist and an orange. I do already have a pink one, but why not have two? So yeah, I will be actually giving away anything from my list. You can ask, I'll give you options. None of my spikes though, so I will give you the options. Okay? I know this isn't that good, but why not? If you want some art from me, I've got some. Yeah, what is that? Just comment whichever one you want. And the only way to enter is to comment. That's it. Then you've entered. Then I'll put your name on a wheel. And yeah. Whichever one has the most comments on what they want. So the one that has the most comments, which one should I give away? Which thing here should I give away? The one with the most comments I will do. And then I will put all your names on a wheel. All the people who have commented, even if they said something else, on the wheel. You've also got to comment your username and why you want this item. Non-member or member, it only works for member because I can't really do it to non-members because I can't gift. So I'm sorry if you're not a member. So yeah, bye.